So you want to start AI agency with Claude. This video is ideal for you because I'm about to break down almost everything that you need to know before you start an AI agency business. And by the way, if you are new to this channel, I want you to subscribe to this channel and also click the link below and join my school community. Link is in the description. So before you even think of starting an AI agency business, the first thing you need to focus on is deciding your niche, right? It is very important. And one thing you also need to focus on is choosing the right niche, right? Right niche means a niche that can pay you well, because when you choose a niche with bunch of cheap clients, it is very difficult for you to grow that business, right? So you need to focus on only one specific niche that can pay you well. And you need to focus on businesses that are already spending money on marketing. For example, law firms, SaaS businesses, e-commerce brands, and real estate agencies. These are the niches that have more liquid, right? They have the cash and they are willing to spend on customer support. They are willing to spend on marketing. They are willing to spend on advertising, right? And of course, they are willing to spend on automation services as well. So this is the ideal scenario for you. The first step you need to take is to find a perfect niche that pays well. Now, the second thing you need to focus on is creating your high ticket AI powered offer. And I'll tell you what it is. So instead of choosing a niche that has low ticket clients, means let's say that you created a tool and you charge people $10 or $20. Why not to create a high ticket offer, right? And businesses majority of the time looking for high ticket services, the premium services. And with the help of AI, you can not only create those premium services, but also you can deliver those services more efficiently, right? So you need to create a high ticket AI powered offer. For example, AI lead generation, AI sales funnel, AI appointment booking automation, AI customer support, AI content and email marketing, right? You can actually have a lot of options in this domain and you can choose whatever you think that you are perfect at, right? So you can literally create a high ticket AI service and you can pitch to businesses for $1,000 or $2,000. And you can also make it more premium for them by automating their most difficult tasks. So whenever you're starting an AI agency, you need to first focus on high paying niche, and then you need to create AI powered high ticket offer that costs around $1,000 to $2,000. It will help you to scale faster. Plus, it will also help you to grow your business. Now, the third thing that most people miss is building a perfect funnel, right? If your funnel sucks and it has flaws, or it is capturing garbage leads and wasting your time, you need to delete that funnel, right? That funnel is not going to make you money, right? You need to make sure that your funnel capture best leads for your business that can actually end up converting and paying you in less time. So in order to create a perfect funnel, you don't need a lot of fancy things. You just need three things. Number one is you need to educate people, right? Then you need to qualify people, and then you need to capture leads or book a call, right? It is a very simple and straightforward process. Nothing is complicated in this. When you're running a funnel for cold traffic, right, you need to first educate people, give them a basic info about your business and who you are and what you have done previously. And then you need to qualify them by adding a form where you can ask them questions like, where are you with your business right now? Are you making 10 grand, 5 grand a month, right? And then you can qualify them based on their answers, and then you can book a call, right? It will help you to save a lot of time, and of course, it will help you to scale your AI agency business as well. I can literally show you the example of my funnel. So this is my simple school community funnel. As you can see, if someone click on my school community link, it will be directed to my school landing page, right? And from where, if someone wants to join a free community, he just have to click one button and he will be in the school community. And from there, my team will book a call and we will qualify that person for our annual subscription plan. And this is what you need to do if you really wanted to build a perfect funnel for cold traffic. One-click funnel, ask the people to join your free community, and from there you qualify them and then you close them for your high-ticket offer. So it's a simple funnel, zero complexity, nothing fancy about it. You don't need 3-step or 4-step complicated process which can distract your customers, right? So simple one-click funnel, a proper sign up with the questionnaire, and then bam, that person is in my community, and from there my team will qualify that person and we will book a call and we will close him. And your funnel also should have the same elements: a simple landing page which is actually giving a proper info about your offer, and then you asked people about their present condition and where they want to go and what type of problem they're having in their business, and then you can book a call and you can close them. Simple. Now, if you want to get clients for your AI agency, you need to have client acquisition channels, and without client acquisition channels, nothing can work, right? No matter how good your AI agency is and how amazing your service is, if no one will watch, no one will buy, right? So client acquisition channels are important, and you need a lot of them, right? You cannot rely on one single channel because it will not help you to grow, right? Because the whole point of building an AI agency is to grow your business, right? Is to grow your AI agency rather than just live in a simple, well-crafted, small bubble where only 3 or 4 people are your clients every month, right? That in this way you will be stuck forever, right? So if you want to scale, you need to have multiple client acquisition systems. So what are those client acquisition systems? Number one is organic methods. YouTube, Facebook, Instagram are one of the hottest platforms to get cold leads, to get organic traffic to your offer. So you can utilize that, but it will take time. Then, of course, the old-fashioned cold email is very effective. LinkedIn to some point is effective, but not as effective as cold emails, right? So if you really want to grow your AI agency business and want to get clients, focus on cold emails, right? And then, of course, you can shift gears to paid traffic as well, which is, of course, one of the fastest way to get clients. But of course, it is not cheap, right? You will end up burning a lot of money on ads if you are selling a low ticket offer and your profit margins are thin, and you may end up getting clients, but you will not be profitable, right? So this thing you need to keep in mind before starting an AI agency, that your offer should be around $1,000 to $2,000, because it can also help you to cover your ad budget as well when you are running ads. But I don't recommend you to run ads on initial stages. First, prove the concept, prove the market, and then you can run ads, right? Because if organically or with cold emails, someone is not willing to pay you, there is no way then running ads will work, right? Because things that work organically happen to work with paid ads more effectively, right? And this is coming from 10 years marketing experience, right? So of course, the getting clients from organic methods is slow process, but still you should try the organic methods first for a month or two before jumping on ads. Now, once you have a proven concept and you have leads coming into your business, then you can automate almost everything from capturing leads to closing people and delivering service. Everything can be easily automated with Claude, and it is pretty simple, right? So, but remember, one thing you need to focus on is proving the concept first, right? Don't just get into that train like everyone else that AI will revolutionize their business, right? Or AI will literally multiply their income. It cannot happen. If something is working, you can multiply with AI. But if something is not working, multiplying with AI is not going to help you, right? It's like 0 multiply with 1000 equals 0, right? So this is what you need to understand before automate almost everything with Claude. So you can use Claude for standard operating procedures. And you can also use Claude to automate simple tasks, document workflows, and writing client reports and proposals. And you can also train AI assistants to do the simple tasks, right? I don't recommend using AI assistants to do complicated tasks because sometimes they can mess up, right? So you have to train them well. But yes, for simple tasks, you can utilize Claude AI assistants to help you to grow your AI agency business, capturing leads, closing people, and giving them, progress reports about the projects. So you can literally automate that pretty easily. Now, if you're someone looking to scale your business, my free school community is ideal for you. Just have to click the link below. And if you will be interested in booking a call, then of course my team will be in touch with you. And from there, we will see what we can do with your business. So that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next video.